Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Cloudwaitress and Twilio. So the use case here is, whenever an order is placed in Cloudwaitress, automatically send SMS through Twilio. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Cloudwaitress is an online ordering service for restaurants, whereas Twilio is a communication platform. The issue here is that Cloudwaitress and Twilio don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Cloudwaitress to Twilio. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I'm going to hover over this product section and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow in your account. Okay, so now I am going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see so many workflows that have already been created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow, and I'm going to click on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow, and I'm going to name it as Cloudwaitress to Twilio. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here in Choose App, first I am going to choose Cloudwaitress. Okay, now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new order is placed in Cloudwaitress, we want to send SMS in Twilio. That is why new order placed will be our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various other options available. You can select whichever option you want according to your workflow. Now I'm going to click on new order placed. Okay. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new order is placed in Cloudwaitress, we want to send SMS through Twilio. That is why new order placed in Cloudwaitress will be a trigger event, whereas sending SMS through Twilio will be our action event. So now after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, you can see this term called Webhook URL and a URL displayed over here. Now you might again ask me, what is this Webhook URL and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this Webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this Webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Cloudwaitress in our case. So now we are going to follow these instructions written over here. So first is log into your Cloudwaitress account. So I've already logged into my Cloudwaitress account, and here you can see I have these two restaurants, that is Pabbly Connect and 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆. So now I'll go back. Okay. So now select your restaurant in which you want to place webhook. So first we are going to place the webhook. So I'm going to select in which restaurant I am going to place my webhook. So navigate to left sidebar, settings, system, then webhooks. Okay, I'll go back. So now I am going to put my webhook inside this restaurant, that is Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open it. Okay, so now here you can see this settings option. Now inside settings under system, I'll just go down. Here you can see webhooks. So here I am going to add a webhook. Okay, so maximum of 2 webhooks are allowed here. So I'm just going to delete one of them. Okay, now I'm going to create a webhook over here. Okay, so here you have to paste the URL that you got from Pabbly Connect, that is this one. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. Now here in events, So here you can see, okay, click on create webhook button. All this is done. Navigate to event section and enable the order created switch. Okay, order created. Okay, this is already switched. Now navigate to general section, copy the webhook URL above and paste it. All this is done. I'll go back. Now I am just going to save it. Okay, so we have successfully created our webhook over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to click on capture webhook response. So now it is time to go and place a new order in Cloudwaitress. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and place a new order, and then we'll check if Pabbly Connect captures the data or not. So I'll go back, home. Okay, so view store. Okay, so now let me order this pizza. Now start order. Okay, add to cart. Okay, so let me just choose a base over here. Okay, add to cart. Okay, so I've added this pizza over here, you can see. So now what I'm going to do is proceed to checkout. Okay, let me enter the details. Isabella, Matthew, email isabella13@gmail.com, phone number, okay, payment method, it's going to be cash, place order. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have already got our webhook response over here. You can see order type is pickup, the address is over here. If I come down, you can see the bill total, payment method is cash. You can see the customer name, customer ID, customer phone, customer email. Okay, so we have got all the details. Now I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Cloudwaitress and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on this plus button, and now we're going to begin with our second step integration where we'll integrate Twilio and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now here in choose app, I am going to choose Twilio. So now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new order is placed in Cloudwaitress, we want to send SMS message. That is why send SMS message will be our action event over here. Now I'm going to click on connect with Twilio. Okay. Credentials, create new or select existing credentials. So here you have two options. Either you can create a new credential or you can just select any existing credential over here. So here you can see I don't have any existing credential, so I'll let it be new credentials itself. Okay. So here you can see it is asking us for the account SID and authorization token. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here. Okay. So you can see I have my account SID over here. And if you come down, you can see the authorization token also. So what I'm going to do is I'll just copy this from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I am going to paste it over here. So now here in authorization token, I am just going to copy it. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I am going to paste it over here. Okay. Now account SID, you have to again enter your account SID. So I'll just copy it from here and I'll paste it again. Okay, so now here account SID and authorization token will help us to build a connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our webhook response. So first is body of the SMS. That means what SMS do you want to write? Enter the entire SMS message here. You can use /n for new line character. That means if you want your SMS to be displayed in different lines, then you can use /n and then you can generate new line. So here I am going to write your order for, I'll map the product name. pizza is successful, full stop. Okay, now sender number. So here you can only put the sender number that has been approved by a Twilio account. So I'll go back to my Twilio, and here I am going to go to my settings over here, and here you can see phone numbers. So here in phone numbers, under manage numbers, you can see active numbers. So here you can see this is my active number. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to copy this number from here. So I am going to copy it. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. I'll just remove all these spaces from here. Okay, now recipient number. So here you have to enter the contact number of the recipient who is going to get the message. So here my customer is going to get the message. So I'm going to enter my customer's phone number, that is here. So let me map this one. Okay, so here I am just going to enter +91 in front of my number. Save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response sent from your Twilio trial account. I'll just extend this. Your order for pepperoni pizza menu extra toppings is successful. Okay, I'll just save it. Okay, so now let us go to our Twilio account. And here I am going to click on programmable messaging. Okay, so here you can see your recent messages. Okay, so here you can see you have sent the message body is here. Okay, so let us open it. Okay, so here if I come down, you can see sent from your Twilio trial account. Your order for pepperoni pizza menu extra toppings is successful. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration here. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do one more order through Cloudwaitress. Okay, so now I'll go back to my Cloudwaitress and I'm going to place one more order. Okay, so this time I am going to order these fries. Pick up now. So I'm going to order these fries. I'll add 2, add to cart. Okay, then proceed to checkout. Okay, I'll let the details be same and the number be same. Cash, place order. Okay, so now we have successfully placed an order over here. Now we'll go back to Twilio and we'll check if a new message has been sent from there or not. So I'll go to my Twilio. I'll just refresh this page once. Okay, so now I'll scroll down. So here you can see one more message has been delivered. We'll just open it. Okay, you can see sent from your Twilio trial account, your order for fries is successful. That means we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I am going to explain you what has happened in our example. So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Cloudwaitress to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Twilio. So now every time a new order is placed in Cloudwaitress, automatically SMS will be sent through Twilio. So we have successfully finished the integration of Cloudwaitress and Twilio using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.